So according to 19, there's snakes at Hucknall. And he's called Pa, and I'm not surprised he's got rid of his boomer. Right, we'll go to channel 19, from channel 19 to Mr Chippie channel. This is the Fidelity 1000, which you saw the tune-up and the repair I finished working on exactly 5 minutes ago. Straight on to an on-the-air test with Mr Chippie. We've got Mark this weekend, ZX2, so both of them are in the test car today. And this radio is doing, well, it's doing 3.2 watts, but on this channel it'll be doing 3.1. So I'll just tick off the speaker. It's absolutely fine. I've still got the test gear, some of the test gear on. We'll switch some of this off. So we'll start off on its internal speaker, switch to plugging in the external speaker like we usually do. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 receiving.
Excellent. I'll put the extension speaker in now. I know it works on its internal one.
Roger that.
This set is very sensitive. They usually are, and it can be their downfall.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Excellent. Got you loud and clear.
Have you got tone control?
No, negative, I haven't.
Yeah, roger that.
So what did we get? For 12 dB sound, it's 0.5. And for 10 dB it's 0.43, so very good.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
These radios are not as loud on receivers a lot, they're only 1.5 watts output on audio.
Passing Ancaster service station, petrol is 148.9 and diesel is 162.9, and yeah, I'm surprised it's open.
Well, there you go. Got you on that.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What have you got? You going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
What have you got? You at the top of the hill.
Roger. Mr Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Fidelity CB1000FM from 1981, and it's doing 3.1 watts output. This is a radio kindly given to us by Alan. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Is that the one with the football themed front?
You've given the game away now for the next Fidelity 2000. This is the one with the on-off volume control missing. Over.
Roger that. I don't know what sequence are in that, so I won't know when that'll be.
No, that's right. It'll be in about 8 sets, I think. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Tango 21, was that you, Troy?
Yeah, just saying, passing the Grayleys turn.
Oh, Roger, right. Was that Mark instead?
No, it was definitely me.
Oh, right. I got something else coming over. Sounds like the football awards.
Right, I see. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Fidelity 1000, and it's doing 3.1 watts, and it's showing 810 milliamps to do that. We'll now go over to low power, and I'll tell you what that is afterwards. And back to the full power, which is 3.1 watts. So quick look at the strip board, and low power was 200 milliwatts. Over.
Yeah, Roger, I did lose you a little bit on low power. Squelch kicked in, but it's a bit noisy today.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the way.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, you probably asked for some petrol prices, but I'm not sure. But anyway, 153.7, 159.9.
Yeah, Roger, got that. So that concludes the test. So 10-10 to both of you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end? Over.
You probably have to some petrol prices, but I'm not sure. But anyway, 153.7, 159.9.
Yeah, Roger, got that. So that concludes the test. So 10-10 to both of you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay, well that worked well. They didn't hear us at the petrol station with the interference that kicks out, which is why we talk there. He says we couldn't hear him as very well on 200 milliwatts. Not surprised. You know, that works fine. A sensitivity is certainly there, and they usually have good transmitted audio. So we'll go over to our base station, we'll see what that sounds like. So I'm on the standard replacement microphone, which is actually the same shape as what you got originally.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity 1000 into our Midland 76900 base station, setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dropping it to low power. This test is when there's hum on the radio. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on low power and back to the full, in this case 3.1 watts. So that's another set from the scrap bin, and thanks very much Alan for sending it to us.